Hi, these are the ingredients in making shawarma rice. Butter, garlic, water, brown sugar, mayonnaise, soy sauce, vinegar, pepper, salt, ground beef, annatto powder, oyster sauce, cooked rice, cucumber, tomato, and white onion. Let's start cooking! First, add 1/4 ground beef, then 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1/8 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and 3 minced garlic. Then mix well and set aside. Turn the stove into low heat. Put the butter first, then let it melt. Then put the annatto powder. Mix well. And then put the 2 minced garlic. And last, put the cooked rice. Mix well until it turns into yellow rice. Then add salt. Put 200 grams of mayonnaise, then half tablespoon of vinegar, 4 minced garlic, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and last, water. Then mix well. Strain to remove the minced garlic. Then transfer into a bottle. Turn the stove into medium heat. Stir fry the marinated beef. Once cooked, remove and set aside. Cut the cucumber into half, then remove seeds. Cut 1 piece of tomato into half and remove the seeds. Slice thinly the cucumber. Cut into strips the tomato. And last, peel and slice thinly the onion. This is the homemade shawarma rice.